Hello everybody, welcome back to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. We are going to try something a little bit old today. This is a cocktail that's got a pretty unsure origin. There's two stories on it. One says it was originated in 1921 from the Berkley Hotel in London and was originated by bar manager Mr. Polly. The second one is probably the most popular thought of it, comes from Harry's New York bar in Paris. Harry was a Scotsman who was a bartender in London, early 20s. He published a book called The ABCs of Cocktail. Harry developed a couple other cocktails, and two of them you might know are called the Sidecar and the Bloody Mary. So I kind of believe it might have been Harry that did this one. Today's cocktail is going to be something tasty. So before we start, I want to thank everybody who's subscribed to us so far. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, do that. Leave us a comment, leave us a like, tell us a cocktail you want to see, tell us what you think of this one. We look forward to hearing from you. So today we're going to make a cocktail and it's called Between the Sheets. So let's get pouring. First, we're going to get a shaker glass. What we're going to do is our first liquor in there is actually going to be Bacardi's, and we're using white rum, and we're going to put 1 ounce in there. Next, we are going to use an orange liqueur. Today we're using Cointreau. That's going to be 1 ounce. That's going in there. Third, and going in there, is cognac. Today we're using Cavassier, the VP, and 1 ounce of that goes in there. So we've got 1, and 1 of our liquors. Next in there, we are going to use freshly squeezed lemon juice, and we're going to use a little bit less than 3/4 of an ounce in there. A little bit more, about 2/3. And that's going in there. So now we're going to get our shaker glass. We're going to get a nice big piece of ice in here, put that in the glass. Pop the top on that, and we're going to give it a good shake to chill it. This is coming together great. You can smell that fresh lemon in there. And now this is going in a coupe glass. I've got some crushed ice in there. I'm chilling that glass. Because there's no ice in the glass, we're chilling it, and that'll help keep your drink cold. Because we've got fresh citrus in there, we're going to do a double strain. We want to keep the pulp of that lime out of the pulp of the lemon out of the cocktail. We're going to go pour. That's going into the coupe glass. That's going in there. The last thing that we have left to do is our garnish. Now what I've done here is just lemon peel, put it on the skewer, and the first cocktail with a risky name, Between the Sheets. Nice and tart, nice and tasty. Enjoy, folks.